Jose Rizal graduated with a degree in medicine from the University of Santo Tomas. Konti lang sila sa batch nila, hindi pa uso ang class photo noon, so this is the next best thing. This is the grading report from their third-year pathology class. Rizal's batchmates were Cornelio Mapa y Belmonte, Estanislao de la Paz y de los Santos, Francisco del Rosario y Narciso, Jose Luna y Novicio, Jose Resurrección y Padilla, Mariano Barrera y Aquino, Tomas Cavanjo y Andres, and Vicencio Ramos y Afable. Most, if not all of them, practiced medicine and surgery in the Philippines. Here are details on some of them. Mariano Barrera y Aquino served as the provincial secretary of Tarlac, and in 1906, he built a monument of Rizal in Tarlac. Cornelio Mapa y Belmonte was born in Iloilo City and practiced there. I found advertisements for his practice and services as a medico cirujano or surgeon from 1901 to 1904. According to the Philippine Biographical Directory of 1908, he served as the municipal doctor of Iloilo. In 1911, he was appointed the vice chair of the executive committee handling the city's commemoration of Rizal Day. The connection of Jose Luna y Novicio to Rizal as his med school classmate is often overshadowed by the friendship of Rizal with Jose's older brother Juan the painter and his younger brother Antonio the general. They spent time together in Europe. Between 1888 and 1896, Jose served as the municipal physician of Binondo. Jose was also an elected member of the Malolos Congress of 1899, representing Ilocos Norte. His family settled in Badoc at some point. During the Filipino-American War, Jose served as a medical officer in the Philippine Revolutionary Army. In 1902, years after his brother Antonio was assassinated, he ordered his bones to be exhumed from Cabanatuan and brought to him to confirm the forensic markers of an assassination. He was perhaps the only person who knew for sure where Antonio Luna's bones were buried. According to Ambeth Ocampo, in 1899, Jose Luna, who was proficient in toxicology, told art historian Alfonso Ongpin that his brother Juan Luna died in Hong Kong from poisoning, not a heart attack, as was indicated in his death certificate. Incidentally, Jose Luna's daughter Mariana married Constancio Ongpin, a descendant of Roman Ongpin. Roman was a supporter of the Katipunan, and his statue stands beside Binondo Church. School records are an underrated primary source of information. It can sometimes provide clues to our ancestors' complete names, where they lived, how book smart they were, and if they had any interesting friends. O, diba?
Meow meow.